up, guys? What's going on? Taking a ride right now to this new property. This property was purchased, what are we in, January? I think this is like January 24th or something right now. I lose track of days. I don't be knowing what day it is of the week sometimes. But anyway, so you know, first quarter, purchased this house earlier in the year. I think purchased it on the 5th of January, and the seller needed time to vacate the home because it's an older gentleman, him and his father. He's sick. You know, his father is obviously a lot older, so gave them 2 weeks to vacate the house. So I'm actually headed over there now. Hopefully I can show you guys the house. Hopefully I can go through the house in peace myself. I hope they left. You know, we were supposed to get a call from them when they left earlier this week, but I haven't gotten a call yet. But I do got the key for the front door, so you know, just gonna pop up right now. Fingers crossed that they left, because I don't need no drama right now. I mean, they're not drama filled, but I don't have to give them no more time because I need to start getting work done on this house. So yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see if we can check out this house. Senator lives over there in that big old house in the middle of the prairie. The Georgia Senator's house. It's huge. And then the beautiful thing is this house is right here on the left, across the street. And it looks like they might be gone because I don't see any of their cars here. That's the house there. All right. That's a good sign that none of their cars are here. Alright guys, like I said, that's the Senator's house across the street. Thing is huge. He look like he got some cows too. But anyway, here we are. We're focusing on this house. I can still see the power is on because you can still see the light is on. So let me take you guys on a tour on the outside. So basically what this house needs is you could take a look at the roof. The roof is a bit wavy, uneven, some of the shingles, so we're going to put a whole new roof up there. You know, obviously we're going to paint the house, do these stairs over. Come around this side here. You know, you got all this yard space. It's sitting on about an acre. So this AC unit, just the core, when we purchased this house, we were told that this was bad, but it's just the core that looks a little bit old. All the components on the inside were actually changed out, brand new under warranty, so that's a plus. Don't have to do any HVAC work. Obviously got to clean up the yard a lot because I knew that they were going to leave a lot of garbage, because there was always a lot of garbage in this place. But hey, look at the beauty. They left me a shed. You know, you could sell that shed for a couple $100. I've done it before. You know, just a lot of garbage back here. It's the back of the house. You can see the roof and stuff there. A lot of garbage. So yeah, guys, gonna, you know, bring the dump trailer in here and just get a lot of this trash here. Got a lawnmower, a sitting lawnmower over there. Probably doesn't work, but you know what? At the end of the day, I don't throw away anything really. Somebody will still buy that for, you know, 100, 200 bucks as it sits. Couple kennels here. You know, I see money in everything. I don't throw away nothing really. But yeah, they actually took the old truck. There was an old truck that was sitting over there. I thought they were gonna leave that because I love when they leave me old cars in these homes, because I always sell old cars, you know, without a title too. Someone always buys it. But there is a little doghouse. But yeah, you know, that's the house, guys. On the outside. I got the key, so let's go on the inside. I'm actually glad they did take a lot of their garbage, so that's good. I'm gonna get the guys out here cracking on this house real soon. Let me just knock first. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Alright. Looks like they might be gone, and oh my god. You can see that they left pretty much everything, because these guys were downsizing. You can see they had cats, because it just smells like pure urine in here. So definitely gonna have to rip up these floors, put new floors. You see the cat tore up the couch. But yeah, it is messy. Hello? Nobody home, right? Probably should have my gun on me in here, but I don't. It's a mistake on my part. But go in this room here. Hello. You can see it's nothing but soda cans. Something was on the wall. TVs, cobwebs. Hello. It's bathroom number 1. Toilet's moved. Smells insane in here right now. Cobwebs. Special. Got this bedroom here. Cobweb special. They pretty much left everything in this house. Then you got this room over here. This is the master bedroom. She's got that nice window there. Come around here. You got the bathroom back here, and then you walk through, and then you got the master closet. You got the master closet back here. Got the master closet back here. It's a PlayStation. But yep. There's an iPhone 6 in here. It's in there. A little Indy car. Let me show you guys the garage area. The garage was actually turned into a bedroom. Go through the hallway here. Let's make sure I knock, because I don't know what's behind this door. Hello. All right. So yeah, you know, just step down. Got this whole, you know, what used to be a garage, I assume. Door there. This whole thing is a bedroom. And that's actually a bathroom right around there. All right, guys, so you see the house, you see the condition. Obviously this is the before. There's a lot of junk. We knew they were gonna leave a lot of stuff because there's no way. These guys actually moved into like a motorhome out in Alabama, and we knew there was no way they were gonna take all these things with them, because when I purchased the house, they didn't even have no boxes packed, and they knew they were supposed to be moving out. So, but hey, they're out. A lot of this stuff, you know, what some perceive as junk, I'm gonna turn some of it into money. A lot of it is just going to the dump. But yeah, guys, this is it. Love this sealant. You know, you can see that this is like a vaulted sealant here in the living room area. Well, yeah, when this thing gets fixed up, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this content. If you have any comments, any questions, if you want any of this junk, but you know, all seriousness, just you know, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, and you know, I will see you guys on the after. This shouldn't take no more than probably a month, 2 months max to really turn this house around. Yeah, that's it, guys. All right, see you on the next one, guys. Thank you. Peace. What's up, guys? So you know, just left the house, and pretty much, you know, got a trunk full of just, you know, stuff that just gonna resell. But you know, funny side story. So, you know, just now I was pulled over to the side. Like, you know, I put my hazards on and pulled over to the side of the road, probably like 3 minutes after leaving the house, because I actually wanted to use my phone and you know, post something on my social about the house. And before I know, by the time I could look up, I see a police lights behind me, and I'm just like, I'm just ignoring it, because I'm just like, I don't even know what this is right now. But I mean, I got a fair assumption, you know, young black man. Hey, you know, I'm in a neighborhood where there ain't really too many young black men out here. Actually, there's none, probably. I'm gonna make that assumption, because I've been over here a couple times. But I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, the officer, she was cool and stuff, but you know, she just came with a whole bunch of small talk, and you know, she was real like nervous, kind of. So, you know, that just made like one of us nervous, because I mean, quite frankly, I wasn't nervous because I ain't no criminal, and you know, I'm not doing anything negative. You know, I can't help being young and black. Hey, it is what it is. But like I said, she was a cool officer, but you know, at the end of the small talk, you know, it still came down to, oh, can I see your ID? You know, just to make sure I know who I'm talking to. I mean, I know that's bullshit, but you know what? I'm like, once again, like, I'm not an ignorant person. You know what I mean? So I already know, you know, the type of environment, and you know, just, you know, I'm very self-aware always. So you know, I just gave her the ID, and you know, kept a smile, and just was nice to her. She ran it and stuff, you know, realized, oh, yo, this young black man's actually a good one and stuff. And she was still nice about it, but that shit is just kind of whack. You know, I just had to share that story because it's just kind of whack. You know, even the small talk was was a little bit left field for me, but it is what it is. I ain't sweating it. It ain't my first rodeo. At least she ain't pull out a gun on me. I done been down that road too, but we ain't gonna go down that rabbit hole. Anyway, guys, yeah, stay tuned. You know, I will be back in this neighborhood quite a few times to check on the progress of the house. So just stay tuned. You know, give me like 30-45 days, and I'm gonna show you guys like a whole turnaround for that particular house. You know, be safe. Don't be ignorant with the police. You know, they're doing their job or whatever. I'm doing my job. So it is what it is. So yeah, guys. Peace. Hope you enjoyed that little side story.